Say, hi,
Hi.
I'm Douie.
I'm Douie.
Yeah. Start rubbing your belly.
I don't have one.
So, Douie.
What?
I saw.
Spit it out.
There's something in that box over there.
Really?
Yeah. Are you hiding it from me?
You did a question.
I think you know what's in that box over there.
No, I actually don't.
In that cooler?
Oh, that. Okay. Well, I know it's in that.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Is it something that you're not supposed to have?
Why should I tell you I'm not supposed to have it?
Because I'm the authority in this house.
Really? You're not my daddy, you just my...
Well, your daddy's right there. It's Billy. Hi, Billy.
Hello.
There's something in that box that I think you've been hiding from me and your dad. What could it be? How about you open it up
Okay.
and show us what's in there? I think we can have a serious conversation. Open it up. Douie, do what I say. Tell him to do it. Douie.
Bye.
Do it, son. Go over there. Open the box. Put your hand in and pull it out.
It's just a pad.
It's not just a pad, son.
It's an iPad!
Where'd you steal it from?
You bedroom!
And what did I say about...
I don't like them Jenga blocks. I want to play with the real
You
toy.
can't play Flappy Bird anymore. I deleted it.
No.
Yeah,
No.
because you can't be playing with my iPad.
No.
I told you it's business related.
No.
Yeah, but guess what?
What?
There's something else in that box
That
that you
was a
said.
watermelon. Yeah.
Did you take that from the store
No.
without paying for it,
It
Billy?
wasn't me.
It was you.
It was you.
I pay for my stuff, but you don't even have a job. So how did you get that? Billy.
Well, you know, I found a couple dollars on the ground on the way to the store.
Oh, I believe you. Okay. Because you're just that poor.
Yeah, that's it.
You scrape up money off the street.
I said I could home grow this from my seeds that cost 99 cents.
What was that so funny?
So, Douie.
Oh, ew. Oh, I can't hear. Oh, mate. Oh.
Hey,
Back
Douie.
into the back into
Yeah, you
the
get to get to Douie.
Okay, get. Okay, so what is the iPad?
I want you to pull it out, and I want you to show everybody what it is.
Okay.
Okay?
There you go.
And you're not... No! Open up
I
the
pulled it out of my
box.
diaper.
Go over there and open it.
There's poop on it.
What do we have in here? Uh-oh. Looks like he found your stash, Billy. Looks like he found
found the
your stash.
Bear.
Oh no, Douie. What's going on? Why do you have this?
Because I was thirsty. It's just some beer. Some beer. It doesn't really have some stuff left in it.
Yeah.
Ew, no way.
You weren't supposed to do that quick.
It was so funny though.
You're supposed to drink it and say, my dad lets me drink beer.
I don't like this. I don't like the bear. That's like 3 months old.
Dude, it's still capped. So it's still good.